I hate it. Sky is turning black out here.
Back to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving is like a spiritual cleanse where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away. Running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. The neon lights in the fast lane light, riding high, reaching for the sky. I had it all but lost and fell back down again. Spent my time playing the game where every single day was a losing battle and every drink was a dead end.
Looks good, you like it?
I love it. It looks finished.
It does.
It's simple because it's white, but
Yep.
it's got like detail that makes it like classic.
Yeah, what sucks, we only do the exact amount of footage on this. If we mess up, we're done.
I know. We're almost there though.
I know.
One small piece left. I feel like it's doable.
Yeah. You think they give this to you pre-cut? Why wouldn't they? It's the same cut every time, right? You got dimensions from side to side, front to back.
They already know exactly what you're using it for. No.
Should be pre-cut. But whatever.
They just want to test your skill level. That's all.
And I'm passing.
So far you're passing.
Yes.
I'll give you an A. Minus.
Okay.
They gave us a touch-up kit to use for some of the areas where we had to nail everything in at, so we're gonna need to go back through and take care of all of that.
Yeah, so I guess the face of the crown molding, actually the entire thing of the crown molding is maple, and the back part that the crown molding goes into, which we nailed down, is poplar. Shooting my nail gun through that, going through that maple, I guess it wasn't sinking in all the way, so it's maybe a little bit less than a 1/16 of an inch sticking out. So I'm going to come back with a punch and a hammer and finish those back through there a little bit, patch them up, paint it.
But it's coming along. We're almost
Yes.
there to having like a usable kitchen, so
Getting close.
I think we're doing good so far. Oh, I'm nervous. I can't watch.
That good for you? I can still slide down, or we can cut it up by slide down. You slide down, you make it work? That's
No,
too
it's
high.
painful drilling into these cabinet doors.
Is it too high?
No, I don't think it's too high. I think it's,
That'd be better.
yeah, that'd be better.
We get that little mark there now.
Is this the part where we destroy our new kitchen cabinets?
No, but here's the thing. She said they're too low. Put them here, I put them up there. They're not too high, just go down lower. So I'm going up and down like this much each time.
I mean, I just like, I can't bear to drill into the cabinet.
Well, it's gonna have to happen.
We just gotta get it over with. I can't take it.
How's it look?
I hate it. Just kidding. Looks good. Let's do them all.
So look at this, crooked at all or no?
No.
The left leg is about that much shorter than the right leg.
That is not true. Both your legs are short. All three of them. We're gonna start putting the island together now. We changed the original layout of the island so that we could pull up chairs and eat around it, have the countertops hanging over. So we're gonna start putting that together, and we're also going to be putting in shelving, open shelving that's in there that's really just more decorative. It's not like meant to be useful.
Yeah, so we're actually not going to attach the island to the floor yet. We're actually gonna pretty much sand, stain, seal everything so it's all done, and then put the island back on top and screw it down to the floor.
Yes, and also put electric in the island at that time.
Correct, yes.
We would like to take a minute to thank Squarespace.com for sponsoring today's video and helping to support creators like us and making free content for our viewers to enjoy.
Squarespace.com is an easy-to-use all-in web platform that provides everything you need to get started and grow your website.
The modern templates, customizable layouts, and easy importing allow you to take your website to the next level. You even have the ability to utilize tools to help you fulfill orders, ship products, and manage your inventory. All of which increases your efficiency as a business owner and helps you spend more time tackling other tasks such as finishing that kitchen you so desperately need. So check out squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, head over to squarespace.com to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
Now let's get back to the build.
Sky is turning black out here.
Wandering around in a blurry time, in a foggy state.
So this is a job site you wouldn't make it very far. If you're on my job, I'd have you fired instantly because you're sitting in a chair while we're working. Unacceptable. Yeah, thank you. Let's go.
Look who else is in the chair.
think, babe? So this is how the countertop's gonna be sitting, roughly 15 inches hanging off that side, so you can sit down, have enough leg room. It's obviously gonna come back down to here, but 15-inch overhang here, so we can all pretty much just sit down around the table and have dinner. It's gonna be a big table for us to all eat at, all 5 of us. So, what do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
It won't be this color though, I promise.
How about white? You can see that Josh's new dining table is done. I think he's gonna fit perfectly there with his small chair. How do you feel about that, Josh? Are you excited? What's your first meal gonna be? Little Debbie's?
No, I need a taller stool so I can reach, okay? Okay? We need to get you the extra thick, wide legs so I don't snap and sit down, okay? That's what we need. So, we're all done, I guess. We still gotta do power. I need to bring power up for the oven. I need power for the microwave. It's gonna be in the island. Also some convenience outlets in the island. We still got all that stuff still to do.
Yes.
But not today. We'll do all that stuff after we get the floor finished and then get the island anchored down.
Yes, we're also missing a couple of knobs that are gonna go on the tall, skinny cabinets because these handles don't fit there, so we need to get some of those. And then you're gonna see shelving, open shelving going up back there as well.
Yes.
Eventually when those brackets come in.
So what else we got? Is that it?
That's it.
That's
Yes.
it, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
See ya.
You know what I mean?
It's called jelly roll.
Jelly roll? This is called jelly roll. Cheetos?
Do you see that they're not classy enough?
I married you, so I can deal. You know what I mean?
You're not eating dinner yet. That's it.
No, I like them. They're good.
Your shirt's